opening na nilipat yung schedule. But anyway, they asked me to talk about changing mindset. Ay, biglang nawala si Secretary Ollante. Anyway, Dr. Bilao is here. Magandang umaga po sa lahat ng mga nasa science community. Kanina, napakinggan natin yung magandang presentation ng taga-Yahoo, presentation ni Dr. Liboro, and ni Nino Serachon, dealing about communication. Sino dito gusto mura ang Wi-Fi? Kung hindi man mura, libre ang Wi-Fi. Because you go to Hong Kong, you go to Taiwan, you go to Singapore, anywhere else, Bangkok, libre ang Wi-Fi. Sino dito gusto libre Wi-Fi? Wow! Sino dito gusto mabilis ang broadband? Mabilis ang Wi-Fi? Lahat. Ay, bakit wala tayong programa para pabilisin at kumurahin natin ang Wi-Fi? Why are we so contented with what we have now? That's the problem with the Philippines. That's the problem with Filipinos. We enjoy technology, yet we do not want to develop our own program. In fact, kakaya po tayo. Sri Lanka by 2015 will be launching 2 satellites. Oh, Sri Lanka. Di ba? Wala tayo lumayo. Bangladesh is following the suit. Ang Pilipinas, sa ama ng Diyos, i-decommission na natin yung Agila 2 this year. So where are we after this? Papapagaling natin lalo. So I'm appealing to the 30 million netizens of the Republic of the Philippines. Demand from the senatorial vote, demand from all candidates running now to develop a program para ma-address yung concern nito. Otherwise, we'll be left behind. That's the mindset that we need today. But of course, pati nga nila, nasa changing the mindset. Ay, ito pala. Asan yung, dalan mo, drive mo. Okay. Ayan. Changing the mindset of a target public is the goal of communication, public relations, and advocacy to influence the thinking of any target public and in support for the program, services, or product. Ginagawa nila ng media. Okay? Next. Ayaw. Okay. Anyway. Next slide, please. Let me skip my presentation. Because you want to change the mindset. What's this? This is the kind of political situation that we have in this country. Di ba? Do you see this in other countries? Puno, pinapakuan ng mga campaign materials to win the votes of the people. Next slide, please. Eh? Di ba dapat ang puno? Nag-o-offer mo sa atin ng shelter. This is where we get our water, this is where we get our food, this is where we get our oxygen, this is where we get our shelter. Next slide, please. Okay? That's the importance of trees. It's the importance of forests. Okay? Next slide, please. Oh, bakit kinahuli niyo? Ito ho yung mga humihingi ng boto sa inyo and demanding, asking for your support in the next election. How can they have moral ascendancy to demand and require the people to respect the law? Eh kami mga politiko hanggang ngayon hindi maigalang ho ang mga batas. Resolution 9615 of the Commission on Election requires that all candidates should abide with what is prescribed in law. Ano sinasabi mo ng batas? Dapat nasa common voter area lamang o doon sa mga permitted areas ang mga campaign materials. Eh bakit nasa puno? Sabi bawal. Tumingin ho kayo paglabas po ninyo dito. Pumunta ho kayo ng mga probinsya at tingnan mo ninyo yung mga puno. Namunga ho na ng mga posters. Namunga ho ng mga pagbubuka na hindi naman, hindi naman, ng mga politiko. Ha? Poste ng kuryente. Hindi, puro lang yun yan eh. Just imagine, if you want to develop a new mindset, let's start with this election. Let's start with a paperless campaigning. We have 30 million netizens. Di ba? Enough to send a senatorial ball to the Senate. Encourage them to develop a clean election. Literally, a clean campaign. Bakit po? Pag napamura natin ang pangangampanya, less ang gastos, I tell you, there will be less chances of corruption. then we change mindset. We introduce a new paradigm. Yung mas malinis, mas mura, mas konti po ang nakawan. Okay? Sabi ng iba, that's impossible to happen. Similarly, imposible daw na ang mga Pilipino magpadala ng tao sa mundo o magpadala ng tao sa space. Only in the Odoran company can do that. Do you agree with that? I cannot allow. That's why we find House Bill 6725. Okay? House Bill 6725 intends to develop a roadmap for space science. Kung gusto mo natin mapamura ang Wi-Fi, gusto mo natin maging mabilis ang internet, let's start developing our own space program. That is the kind of innovation that this country needs. Yung Project NOAA, kasama natin yan, ng RIA, PANASA, NDRRMC, lahat mo yan. Mapabibilis mo natin yung proseso. We complain about kulang ng classroom. We can develop a classroom desk class. If we have a space program. Ang problema mo, intento na tayo what is given to us. Let's start demanding. That's the mindset that I want to introduce today. We introduce a clean campaigning, clean election, and at the same time, demand from would-be leaders of this country, ano ang programa nyo para sa 30 million netizens who will be spurring a lot of development similar to the young one presented earlier by the speaker from here. So again, bago mo siguro natin ma-develop yung ganung klase mindset, kailangan din mo maintindihan natin ang relevance po ng K-12. And the K-12 program, the K-12 bill that is about to be signed by the President, has Section 8. Okay? Ano yung Section 8? Allowing now graduates of science, math, engineering, and statistics be supported by USC and their ED and CHED so that yung mga graduates dito hindi na po napupunta sa mga call center. They will work as researchers, as academicians, as developing a sector developing honing the new mindset of the Filipinos. Ano yung mindset na yun? Huwag matakot sa science at math. We enjoy playing Angry Bird, pero takot na takot po tayo sa geometry, takot na takot po tayo sa physics. Di ba? Yung mga kaidara namin, ng mga direktor siguro, Direktor Liboro, naglalaro kami ng shuttle doon. Baka kayo, hindi nyo na-enjoy yung shuttle. Okay? Nagtumbang preso. Okay? Wala kang pinag-iba. Yun lang po yung modern version ng Angry Bird. Lahat po yun may konsepto ng physics. Lahat po yun may konsepto ng geometry. Then why are we tailing behind in math and science in Southeast Asia? Simply because ang mindset po natin sa science and math nakakatakot. We change the direction. We change that. We introduce a new paradigm by making people understand that science and math actually is fascinating. That will lead development, progress in this country. Maraming salamat po sa makagalang na araw.
Thank you.